Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to create your first session within the bookings area of your Instaproofs account. So to get started, we'll go down to bookings, and then there are a whole bunch of different pages here, but we're going to jump right into the session types since that's the quickest way to set up our first session. A session type is basically a template for your sessions, and you'll need to create a session type before you can create any of your sessions. We're going to go ahead and do that. I'll click Create Session Type. I'll name this one Family Session, and I'll say this is a family session. Now you can make the description anything that you'd like it to be. You can use the different formatting options that are here to make it as long or as short as you want. Down in the classifications area, we can have a single session or a multi-session. A single session is a standard session, such as a wedding or something else that you've prearranged with your client beforehand, and it's going to be created specifically for that one client. A multi-session, on the other hand, is something where you can set up a whole bunch of different slots and your clients can come in and select a specific spot that they want to be. We're going to go ahead and set this as a multi-session. We'll select a color, and then the visibility we'll set to public. If we have this at private, it won't be displayed on our leads page, but we can still send a link to our clients to it. But if we make it public, everyone can see it. This option here to auto-create our galleries. We have the option to not create a gallery when a session is booked, or we can create a gallery using any of the event types that we've already set up. These are different gallery event types that are found within the photos gallery types. And so for now, we're going to set this to our family. So anytime somebody books a session of this type, it's going to automatically create a gallery using the family gallery type. For our image, let's select an image here. Alright, so we've selected an image there. And here's the questionnaires area. Now we don't have any questionnaires set up, but you can set those up through the booking questionnaires page. A questionnaire is basically any set of questions that you want to ask your client when they're submitting an inquiry or when they're going through the booking process. These lists are blank because we don't have any right now, but you can set that up on your own. Package and option details. This is if you have multiple packages or multiple options that you want your clients to select from when they're booking their session. So this is a family session, and for now, let's go ahead and set it up to have multiple options, and we'll say family option number 1. This is an option that includes a full set of your digital prints. Session location will be my downtown studio. Duration is going to be an hour. We're going to say that we need 30-minute break between our sessions. Session fee is going to be $99 plus $6.75 in tax. And then we select the option for which payment method we want our clients to use when they're booking this session. They can either pay the full amount online, they can pay a retainer plus another payment later offline or online, or they can pay the full amount offline. For the deliverables, we're going to say full set of digital images and online viewing for 9 months. To add our second package, we're going to do the same thing here. And this package includes your full set of images in a low-res format. Session is going to be the same, downtown studio. Duration is an hour, break is still 30 minutes. Session fee for this one is going to be $79, and our tax is going to be $5.95. Here we're going to say pay the full amount offline, and here's an option to select a note when your clients pay for offline. You can say, pay me at the session. For the deliverables, full set of low-res images and online viewing for 9 months. Alright, now we've got our packages set up, and here are your default email settings. These are the different emails that will go out to your clients when you've received their inquiry, when they've confirmed a booking, when a payment's due, and other things of that sort. If you click on this option here, it'll tell you a little bit about those emails, but all the emails can be found in the marketing email templates page. Now that we have it all set up, let's go ahead and save it. And now we can see the one session type that we've created. If we want to see what that looks like to our clients, we can do the client view. You can see here's our lead page with the different options that we've created for it. Now here's the option that says inquire about this option. If they click this, they can enter their information and that inquiry will come to you. Now this isn't a session that they're booking. This is just looking at the session type that you've created, which is the family session type. If we want to create an actual session, let's jump back here. Let's go to create a session. So this is going to be a family session. It's a multi, also the family session type. And here we give it a date and a time and say how many spots we want to make available. We're going to do 4 spots are available beginning at 10 a.m. Click next. And here it is here. Here's our 4 spots beginning at 10 a.m. with half-hour breaks in between. And if we view this one, it looks the same at the top. We got our package options down here. And your clients can come in, select a spot, select one of the package options, and then confirm their selection and move from there. And that's your first session. Now if you want to reserve a spot for one of your clients, say for example you have somebody that calls you and says, hey, I want the 1 o'clock spot, but I don't have a computer to buy me, you can go in yourself, click on the 1 o'clock spot, say reserve this spot, change any information that you want to for it. For example, if it's family member or friend, maybe you'll drop it down to $50, and then you can put in their name and email. When you click confirm reservation, that's going to send them an email where they can go in and finish booking the session. Let's go ahead and save that. You can see that it's now reserved. And now your other clients, when they're looking at this page, I'll refresh it. You can see that that 1 o'clock spot is not available for them. And that's it. That's how you create your first session. Creating a standard session instead of a multi-session is done similarly, but we'd create a new session type. And on this one we would create it as a single standard session. I hope that helps. There's a lot more available within the booking area, so I hope you take the opportunity to go in, create some questionnaires, modify your leads page, and just customize everything so that it looks great for you and your clients. If you have any questions, shoot us an email at support@instaproofs.com.